Surge right here. Now, if this amount of water catches you by surprise, it's too late to evacuate. Cars are floating around and floating away. There's large objects in here that could knock things down with a battering ram-like force. Now, there's no way, again, to evacuate with this kind of storm surge. But we know there's going to be places with more than 3 feet. Imagine 6 feet of storm surge. Now, this completely floods out the first floors of homes and businesses, and the only way to escape that is to move to the higher floor of a building. Now, unfortunately, there are going to be places that get more than 6 feet of storm surge flooding. Imagine this, 9 feet and even beyond of flooding, of inundation. This is practically not survivable. So please follow the advice of your local officials when they ask you to evacuate. And if you have any questions about what evacuation zone you're in, if you need to go and or where you need to go to floridadisaster.org. And by all means, everybody, please stay safe.
Y por supuesto que estas imágenes no son reales. Son imágenes y son videos creados por la tecnología que le permite a los expertos en meteorología poder mostrarnos a nosotros, la ciudadanía, lo que podemos esperar. Así que es muy importante, amigos que me ven, que están en esa área de la Florida que va a ser impactada por Milton, que ya estén fuera de esa área, que hayan buscado refugio para usted y sus familiares, sus mascotas, etcétera. No hay nada más importante que la vida. Sabemos que es difícil despegarnos de las cosas en ciertos momentos, pero no en este. Cuídense mucho, mi corazón es con ustedes.